I had packed all my stuff and my taxi was waiting for me. It was going to drop me off at the train station, where I had a long journey in front of me. On this sunny afternoon, my journey here in Rovaniemi ends. It's been an emotional journey and I'm leaving with mixed feelings. I was supposed to be living here until the end of December, but I took the hard decision and chose to leave early. The warm weather on my last few days here was such a good ending, and the very next day after I left, I got reports that it had started to snow, leaving Rovaniemi cold. My train, on the other hand, was heading south towards Helsinki, where my plane back to Norway was departing from, as well as the place where my journey started a few months back. This is my coach, like the one I did go on wrong the last time. But this one is correct. Alright, this is my heavy suitcase. Room. I need to get my suitcase. It was too heavy to carry. Barely fits through the door. This is nice. This room has a place for my luggage under here. So here the key is in the door. I'll take this out. Just gonna close the door for now. But I made it. I made it. This time I chose a room without my own bathroom. So I can experience both experiences, I guess, except for the cedar places. Hey. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Autovaunuja meille matkaan mukaan, niin toinen konduktöörin työskentelykiste. Ja vaunut 60, 61 ja 62 on sitten makuuvaunuja aina tuonne.
At the restaurant cars, they are 58.
Ja tässä ollaan teidän matkalippujen tarkastus on aloitettu, niin olisitteko ystävälliset ja ottaisitte matkaliput esille ja jos on jossain
So now that the announcement is over, I wasn't able to order. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that this time. Because this time, if I have corona or get corona in the dining hall, it's gonna be much more severe, and I won't be able to leave for 10 days. Oh well. What is done is done. No worries. This time it is another view. It is a beautiful day with a lot of autumn colors. So that is nice. I sat in the windowsill for quite a while, watching the scenery going by, and looking back on my last few months here in Finland. I felt proud of all the achievements I reached during my stay. But it was also a freeing moment for me, and I felt relief taking the first step on going back to Norway, as I've had this bad feeling in my stomach for quite a while, and finally the tension was releasing. I've seen some spectacular things here in Finland, things I will never forget, and I even got to see my friend in Jyväskylä. What I'm mostly left with is the gratitude of being able to explore in the nature freely. And my passion for exploring has grown ever so large, and I'm looking forward to my next adventure back in Norway. Okay, so it is 11 in the night, so I am starting to get really tired, and I am just thinking of going to bed early since I need to get off the train at 6 a.m. I'm probably gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and then I need to figure out where the rapid corona test is. I need to have a rapid test in order to get into Norway, and then when I arrive at the airport in Norway, they require me to take a test there as well. So when I get back to Norway, my mother is picking me up, which I really appreciate. I'm going to sleep now. Good night. Good morning, people. I just woke up 15 minutes ago, and I miscalculated a little bit because I thought my train was at Trikula at 6 a.m. but it is 15 minutes earlier. So right now I'm rushing to get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some breakfast. So I'm gonna continue eating really quick, and then I need to prepare to head off the train. So I'm ready to go really soon, and yeah, in 2 minutes I'm going to go out the door. So soon I'll be testing. I was back at Trikula train station, where it all began a few months back. And even though the season might have changed, the same feeling of excitement was lingering in the air. As I looked at my last connection to Rovaniemi going by, I realized that this chapter of my life was over. Further, I had to focus on the more technical stuff of traveling during a pandemic. And after arriving at the airport, I checked in my luggage, where I had to pay 50 euros extra for the overweight. I found the corona test center easily and got a negative test. And I went through security, and finally I had a few hours to relax before I left Finland and was heading back to Norway, where my mother was waiting for me. I would like a coffee.
Regular coffee.
Thank you so much.
Käyttäkää suun ja nenän peittävää kasvosuojusta koko lennon ajan sekä huolehtikaa hyvästä käsihygieniasta.
Hello. Hi. Oh, baby. You remember? Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi, Mama. Hi, Kela.